Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your name display on the Cash App application. So first, you just have to open your Cash App. So from here, you just have to go ahead and tap on your profile at the top right corner. So you just have to click on this one encircled. And then from here, you will see your Cash App display name. So you just have to go ahead and tap on edit profile at the bottom of that. So from here, you will see your full name, your as cash tag. So you can also edit your cash tag, but you can only edit it twice. But on your full name, you can edit it however you would like. So go ahead and tap on it, and then from here, you can then add or change it fully, so it depends on you. So you just have to make sure that it's your official name. So once you're done, you just have to tap on save at the bottom, and then it will show you in here the edited one. So once you click on preview, beside the edit, you will see how it looks like onto other people. So if you click on preview, this is how it will look like. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!